Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft the glass in Minecraft. So in order to do this, we'll need to get some sand and some fuel and a furnace. So search for sand near any water pools or on the beaches or at the desert. I'm in a creative mode, so that makes my life a bit easier. Here's the sand. Now let's move to our furnace, right click on it, put the fuel like a charcoal or any kind of wood or even coal itself on the bottom like this, and the sand on top. Now after a bit of waiting, we should be able to get a glass. Here it is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.